What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of The Bakery, where I got a special video for you here today regarding one of my favorite treats, cookies. I hope you enjoy. As your delightful journey through the world of two top-tier cookies comes to a close, which cookie would you choose? A delicious oatmeal raisin? Or a melted chocolate chip? Comment below which cookie you would pick, and next week I will make a step-by-step instructional video on how to make the perfect cookie that gets the most comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next week.